Welcome to this video on Introduction to React Navigation Components. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose of React Navigation in a React Native application and identify the core components of React Navigation. Describe the importance of the Navigation Container component. Differentiate between the various types of navigators, such as Stack Navigator, Tab Navigator, and Drawer Navigator. Describe the significance of the Screen component, and identify the command for installing primary dependencies that must be installed before using React Navigation in a React Native project. React Native is a powerful tool for building mobile applications. Switching from one screen or view to another is one major evident challenge for developers when developing a mobile application. To address an application's navigation requirements, React Native provides an extensive and very effective library called React Navigation. React Navigation offers various types of navigators that you can customize to function effectively across both major operating systems, iOS and Android. Let's look at React Navigation and its core components to understand how to use it in your React Native application to manage easy navigation. React Navigation is a tool developed for the React Native framework, which helps developers implement navigation features in mobile apps. It supports various navigators, such as Stack, Tab, and Drawer, to switch between screens and control routes and deep links. React Navigation also facilitates designing clear, responsive, user-friendly navigation flows that follow iOS and Android design standards. React Navigation provides some core components that control your app's navigation. These components are Navigation Container, Navigators, and Screen. Understanding these components is critical to applying navigation in React Native applications. Let's explore each core component along with its syntax. The Navigation Container is the main component needed for app navigation. It manages the application's navigation status and connects it to the top-level navigator. When utilizing applications with React Navigation, there will always be some activity. For this activity to continue, you must wrap your navigation structure in the Navigation Container. Here is the syntax to use Navigation Container. The next component is the Navigator, which helps you navigate different application screens. Navigators define the layout and structure of application screens. React Navigation offers various types of navigators, each designed for different navigation styles and patterns. Let's discuss them in detail. The first type of navigator is Stack Navigator, which coordinates a stack of screens. Users can move forward to a new screen or go back to a previous one, just like navigating in web browsers using arrows and tabs on the navigation toolbar. The screen displays the syntax for using Stack Navigator. Another navigator type is Tab Navigator, which displays a tab bar control at the bottom of the screen. The tab bar control includes various tabs that allow users to switch between screens easily. Users can navigate between multiple screens within the application by tapping the tabs. Here is the syntax for using Tab Navigator. The last navigator type is Drawer Navigator. It provides a navigation drawer in the form of a menu aligned on the left or right side of the screen. It allows users to swipe through the screens. The screen displays the syntax for using Drawer Navigator. Now, let's look at the third principal component of React Navigation Screen. This component is used within navigators and defines the various screens or views in an application. Each screen is linked to a React component, which renders the UI for that specific screen. For example, the highlighted code in the displayed syntax defines a screen named Home. When the user selects Home from the drawer menu, the Home screen component will be displayed. Now that you have learned about the components of React Navigation, you need to know that you need to install specific dependencies before using them in a React Native project. These include the core React Navigation package, the necessary libraries for Android and iOS environments, your choice of navigators among Stack, Tab, or Drawer, and the React Native Gesture Handler. Let's look at the commands for installing primary dependencies that you must install before using React Navigation in a React Native project. One of the primary dependencies to install is the core React Navigation package. Installing the core React Navigation or native package is the first and most basic requirement as it establishes the fundamental building blocks of navigation. Here is the command that you can use to install this dependency. After installing the core React Navigation package, you must install additional libraries that React Navigation relies on to work efficiently. The two main libraries are React Native Screens and React Native Safe Area Context. The React Native Screens library improves performance and efficiency by using native components to manage screen transitions and rendering, making the navigation system smoother and faster. To install this library, you can use the displayed command. Similarly, the React Native Safe Area Context library ensures your application's content displays correctly on all devices. It manages safe area insets, preventing content from obscuring or cutting off by these elements. Here's the command for installing the React Native Safe Area Context library. Another primary dependency is installing specific navigators for an application that depends on the user's navigation pattern. The most used navigators are Stack Navigator, Tab Navigator, and Drawer Navigator. You need to install Stack Navigator to navigate across different screens within a stack. The screen displays the commands for installing Stack Navigator for React Native CLI and Expo projects. You need to install the Bottom Tab Navigator to implement tab-based navigation with tabs at the bottom of the screen. Here are the commands for installing the Bottom Tab Navigator for React Native CLI and Expo projects. Sometimes, you may want to add a navigation drawer that slides in from the side. In such a scenario, you need to install Drawer Navigator. The screen displays the commands for installing Drawer Navigator for React Native CLI and Expo projects. Finally, some navigators like the Drawer and Stack Navigators depend on gesture handling. To enable this functionality, you will need to install the React Native Gesture Handler. Here are the commands for installing the React Native Gesture Handler for React Native CLI and the Expo projects. In this video, you learned that React Navigation is a tool for React Native that helps developers implement navigation features in mobile apps. Core components of React Navigation are Navigation Container, Navigators, and Screen. Navigation Container manages application navigation status and connects the application to the top-level navigator. Navigators help move across application screens by defining their layout and structure. Stack Navigator manages a stack of screens, allowing users to move forward or return to the previous screen. Tab Navigator displays a tab bar control, allowing users to switch screens. Drawer Navigator provides a navigation drawer as a menu that allows users to swipe through the screens. Screen is used within navigators and defines various views in an application. Before using React Navigation, you must install dependencies, including the core React Navigation package, necessary libraries for Android and iOS, the intended navigator, and the React Native Gesture Handler.